Hello doers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to create request for quotation from the lead form via CRM module. So let's see about that. You can see here our module Dev RFQ from lead. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to CRM, go to leads, go to anyone like a design software info and see here this button create RFQ, click on, add here products like a storage box, add quantity, Quotation and vendor Azure, and another is a large desk, set quantity, file and vendor is Tech Addict. Now click on this create RFQ button. So you can easily see here I did add total 2 products, so created RFQ total display here too. And you can easily see here vendor Tech Addict, Azure, and also see in form view. Display product here large desk and Azure in display storage box. Thank you.